inertial and gravitational mass. The force is too small to change all points of the whole body and destroy the state of its inertia, giving it a new speed, direction, force, power. It acts only on certain points, areas, of the body mass, and is adapted and used for an elastic divergence in mass, or gives mass a direction of rotation about center of gravity, inertia, and only a force greater, capable of destroying. Does the old second have more wrinkles than the current one? The passage of time, is measurable only if what can be achieved in at least two ways, or if it can be proved that it cannot be achieved. Thus, a measurable time can also be defined for non-repeating events. This means that we do not need a watch with the hands rotating in a circle, repeatedly passing the same positions on the dial. We measure the elapse of time by measuring the change of structure, not the number of time units. We cannot compare the present second with the second before our era, we only assume that they are equal. We do not know if this second has more wrinkles than the present second. We cannot say whether by any chance the entire structure of our cosmos was not then under the influence of great perpendicular lateral acceleration, or whether it was squeezing our world into the dimple, bending all the seconds and elongating here and there and elsewhere, shortening the centimeters on our split stone rulers. That the seconds are equal is necessary for the description of the world of physics and convenient for calculus. Time and its elapse are not lived time by measuring the movement of the base structure, comparing the movement of the transition of the bundles to the depth, or just comparing the shallowness of the area outside the bundles with the depth of the bundle. Thus, if the time delay in a certain area already turns into a ball of mass, the difference between the depth of the little ball and the shallowness of the area around the ball becomes clear. Arrows occurring outside the bundles have a smaller time delay between their intersection points than inside the bundles. Apud Satanas say or better. Remember the clay your mother. O sweet Ishtar, lover of my body. These are Barrow's lips, dry with longing for you. Why do arrows that collide outside the bundles have their intersections less time lag than inside the bundles? As the descriptive word equals, less delay expresses what the outside observer sees when comparing two such areas, ball and outside the ball. For example, an arrow passing above the ball or a cluster of arrows above the ball projected perpendicularly onto the ball has fewer crossings. Beginning in Chapter 1 TS001 at www.kubi.pl,